All right, last one.
This is the last one. This is a like very rare occurrence. In fact, it's so rare that after it happened, it looks like the NHL posted a compilation of all the times this has ever happened in history. And that video is only 15 minutes long. And each one of these clips is probably a minute. So this has maybe happened 15 times total since the NHL existed. It's very rare. What you have is a goalie scoring a goal in the NHL.
I don't think we can show it, but...
You talking about copyright?
Yeah.
Well, what are you doing here? You're just showing it to me?
No.
Oh, you're showing it.
No, basically the goalie scores.
The goalie scores. He fires an absolute beauty, center of the net. Now, obviously, there's circumstances here that come into play. Will had some questions about it. As he's like, how big of a deal is this? This is a big deal. This happens extremely rarely.
And if people want to search for it, it's on YouTube. It's a goalie goal for Ullmark.
Yep.
Yeah, search for that.
So Boston's been playing amazing, and I was just curious. Like, we were talking about how risky this play is because you have 55 seconds left, 50 seconds at the time that the goalie has received the puck. 52 seconds. The other team has their goalie pulled. Why is that important? Well, they're trying to get an extra attacker on the ice. They got an extra attacker on the ice, so that gives them 6 skaters in an attempt to tie this game up. This is a frequent occurrence in hockey. This is a thing that you do. However, you don't expect the goalie to try to fire it down the ice because if he misses the net, that's an icing call. Mm-hmm. And that means the faceoff comes right back down to their end, and it gives the opposing team an opportunity to reset, get whatever line they want on there, and have much better positioning, obviously, and potential to have possession and score a goal and tie the game. It's not like they had the net pulled with a 2-goal lead. It's a 1-goal lead. So it's a risky move. But Boston's been so successful lately, just dominant. And I think he had the green light. I think as soon as that goalie got pulled, I think the team, the coaching staff, whatever, the confidence with which he approached his shot from the other end of the ice looked like he had the green light. Mm-hmm. Like, hey, man, you get an opening. You got one hell of a shot. You take it. You end that game. And so that's 2-part. It's amazing because the goalie scored, but it's also amazing because this effectively ends the game. Game over. You win. Now it's a 2-goal lead with like 40 seconds left.
Yeah.
Or whatever it is. That's why the guy smashes the puck out of the way, because it was a close, hard-fought battle. And now basically that's the game. The game is over. It's not considered the game-winning goal. That would be the second goal in this case. But it is end. Finito.
Yeah.
And the goalie put the cherry on top. That's a beautiful thing.
And you talked about the height of the shot.
The shot itself is the perfect trajectory. So he has to clear. You can see here, the opposing team is approaching him. Once they realize what he's about to do, they're like, oh my God. And you see, this guy's willing to risk it all. One guy raised his stick in the air. That would be a high sticking call, but it'd be worth it because it would kill the play. And they obviously know it's a threat. They see his confidence level and they're like, oh God, we better try to block this. But he hits the perfect loft in order to clear the initial defenders, clear the one defender who's further back near his own blue line, and hit it square in the middle. It's a beautiful play. And I've seen other goalie goals, and I like this one. It's an incredibly rare occurrence, so shout out to Ullmark. This is a lifetime type memory. You know what I mean? He's that guy. He's that
skill.
Dude. He's that dude.
You know, it's just not luck.
He's that dude that pulled it off. One of the rarities of the game.
Yeah.
The goalie goal is a beautiful thing. Mm-hmm. You gotta love it.